The next question is, why is purification of water and nutrient salts so important in studies involving mineral nutrition using hydroponic? So students, first let us understand what is hydroponic. Hydroponic is the art of growing plants in a nutrient solution in the absence of soil. So here you can see we have growing plants here, and these are the roots. The roots are immersed in a nutrient solution. So water containing all the nutrients which is required for the plant to grow. So this solution is called nutrient solution, and there is complete absence of soil. So plants grown in complete absence of soil in a nutrient solution. So this technique is called as hydroponics. So hydro means water. The plant grown in water rich nutrient solution in the absence of soil is called as hydroponic. And now the question is, why is it essential to purify the water and the nutrient salt which is used as a mineral nutrition using hydroponics? So in hydroponics, why the water and the mineral salts should be purified? So let's see. So since the plant's roots are exposed to a limited amount of solution, so here there is a complete absence of soil. The root is completely immersed in a nutrient-rich solution. So the water itself contains all the nutrients, and the plants absorb the nutrients from this water, and therefore the water should be purified. So if any contaminants are there, the oxygen present in the water will be used by those contaminants, and therefore the plant may have deficient amount of oxygen. So it is learned that the roots requires oxygen, and they absorb the oxygen from the soil, the oxygen which is present in the soil. Generally the leaves get oxygen through photosynthesis, and if oxygen is not available in the leaf, it takes it from the environment. But the root will absorb the oxygen from the soil in which it is present. Since it is growing in a soil-free environment, the oxygen present inside the water. So if the water is contaminated, the oxygen concentration in the water will be reduced. So this will affect the growth of the plant, and therefore it is very essential for purifying the water and the mineral salt which are used in hydroponic, so that the optimum growth of the plant is maintained. So if you want a better yield of the plants which are being used by the hydroponic technique, then the water and the mineral salt should be free of contaminants. These contaminants can be microbes, it can be bacteria, aerobic bacteria, which uses the oxygen present in the soil, and they can use the nutrients for their own growth, so they can cause infection. So all these things can happen. So that is why the water should be purified. It should be contaminant free before it is used in the hydroponic technique.